Hi! On the Woodpecker today, I'm going to show you how I made this Coke bottle tray. Someone asked if I could make a Coca-Cola bottle tray similar to this one. But to make a box like that, I need wood that looks old. So, on a secluded road, I found a couple of pallets laying around and brought them home. I hope nobody saw me. In my backyard, I picked their boards. After a couple of minutes, I realized that my technique sucks. I don't need extra firewood. This pile is half of my firewood. So instead, I cut all the boards just after the border nails. I can't get out of my mind that feeling of déjà vu. As if I saw someone, sometime, somewhere, doing something similar to this. But I can't remember where. Anyway, I continue picking the boards. When all the boards are removed, I rip some of them to the right height of the box and cut them to length. Then I cut box joints on the boards. On the two small sides, I drill 2 holes for the handle. I remove the rest with my scroll saw. I route a 1/4 roundover inside. Now I'm ready to glue the box. After checking that everything is square, I just let the glue dry. Now I can start to work on the logo stencil. The first thing I do is to drill holes inside the letters of the logo. Then I cut the letters on the scroll saw. It goes without saying that this is the most time-consuming part of the whole project. To hold the interior of the letters, I glue dental floss with CA glue. In the end, the top of the stencil looks more like a spider web than the Coke logo. Under the stencil, I just use as little dental floss as possible. Now that the glue is dry, I can drill holes for some nails. To make it look old, I use old square nails. But I realized pretty quickly that the hole is not wide enough. So I drill another one just beside this one. And try to nail it again. But once more, without success. So, I decide to cut the nail, and now it's perfect. Now I just need to cut the rest of the nails and nail them. Before trying my new stencil on the real thing, I first try it on a piece of scrap. It's not that bad. I can use it on the tray now. The bottom dental floss left some little lines. So, I spray some paint in a small container and fix the problem. This is the completed tray. I was asked if I could do something a little like that, and I made this. Now comes the tough part. We're doing my concrete stairs with bricks. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time for another episode of the Woodpecker.